Installation and care for your advanced air filter cartridge. Properly maintaining your Simply Conserve tabletop air purifier's advanced air filter cartridge enhances wellness and keeps homes smelling fresh. And due to its unique design, the advanced air filter cartridge is the premium air filter you can always afford to replace. Instead of ditching and paying for an entirely new cartridge, simply clean or swap the parts you need to refresh. Our advanced air filter cartridge helps you save up to 38% on filter replacements, reduce landfill waste, and enjoy easy maintenance. Your advanced air filter cartridge offers 3-stage filtration and includes a pre-filter as well as a composite filter that combines true HEPA H13 and super absorbent carbon elements. This video will guide you on how to care for each one properly. Installation and care for first-time use of advanced air filter cartridge. Remove the bottom cover of the air purifier by flipping the unit upside down. Rotate the bottom cover counterclockwise to the open position. Remove the advanced cartridge and place it on a flat surface. Remove the advanced cartridge from its packaging and replace the advanced cartridge back inside the air purifier. Reinstall the cover by aligning the indicator triangle with the unlocked symbol. Then, rotate the cover clockwise until the indicator triangle aligns with the locked symbol. You will hear a click. Finally, plug in the power cord. We offer a variety of products to meet your unique needs. To choose the products that are right for you, visit us at amconservation.com.